Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit photos on Snapchat. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapchat application on your device, and if you haven't already logged into your account, you will be asked to use your credentials. After using your credentials to log into your account, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can directly start posting your stories. Now, using your front or back camera, you can take any picture that you want. And once you have snapped this photo, you will have various different options to edit this. You can tap on the text option at the top section if you want to add any text overlay. Then you can simply type in your preferred text and also choose your text background. You can also choose the color that you want your text to appear in by using the color slider. And you can also choose your fonts. There is also an option to add a location and a tag. You can also use the pen option to draw over the photograph using your preferred color by using the color wheel. And you can also add stickers or emojis. You can tap on the undo button to turn back any undesired changes. You can also crop your image if you wish to do so, and you can also make it a boomerang. You can also add more magic filters by tapping on the filter option, and this will make more retouch using AI on your picture. After making your desired changes and edits to your photo, you can tap on the save button at the bottom left corner if you wish to save this photo to your gallery. You can also tap on the stories option to directly add this to your story, and you can also tap on send to in order to send your snap to your friends on message directly. You can also use various different lenses right from the home screen by scrolling to the right side to try various different lenses and filters to edit your photos. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to edit your pictures on Snapchat. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.